Okay, well, the Skunk2 Magapower R exhaust is now on the Honda Civic Ep3 hatch. Honda Civic SI, basically. Looks pretty good. It's pretty easy to put on. I don't have a cat, so I kind of had to modify a few parts where it connects to the OBX race header. But other than that, it went on pretty smoothly. Let me get underneath, see if you can kind of get a picture of what I was talking about. There's the resonator. That part up there was the pain in the ass. It was that piece right there. It was kind of hard to connect, but managed to do it. Had to drill out the holes a little bit bigger. Not a problem. Anyway, I think it looks pretty good. Sounds even better. Let me crank it up and let y'all listen to it. Y'all can tell me what you think. Okay, that was it. Like I said, I'm gonna post them up pretty soon. If you'd like, I guess just leave some comments. Tell me what you think.